Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting a clean image. Open the screenshot so the entire QR sits centered and sharp. Once done, make sure you have an app that imports images. Stock scanners sometimes lack this feature. If your phone's camera app recognizes QR from photos, use that. Otherwise, download a lightweight QR scanner that explicitly supports import from gallery. You need that import function because you will feed the screenshot directly. This is the essential first move. You now import that screenshot into the scanner app. Pick Import or Scan from Gallery, then tap the screenshot file. Once selected, crop tightly around the code if the app asks, because excess border can confuse decoding. After you confirm, the app will analyze the pixels and decode the payload. If it finds a URL, you'll see an Open or Copy option. If it's plain text or contact data, you'll get Save or Add choices. Follow the on-screen prompt to proceed. You finish by acting on the decoded result. Tap Open for links, Copy for plain text, or Save for contacts. Once done, verify the destination address or details before confirming. This prevents mistaken navigation. If the app failed to decode, don't panic, increase contrast, crop tighter, or zoom in and resave the image, then re-import. If that still fails, try an alternative scanner app. Different decoders succeed in different edge cases. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure the QR isn't partial.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.